Hello, this was a sample that I got from one of my cultivations on this slide. I found a bunch of interesting copepods that were not cyclopses, not even from the same family. But I filmed this video by putting a camera, Canon M50 Mark II, next to the eyepiece. And it looked like it was going to be super good from the preview on the camera, but then it turned out to look really bad and super grainy. This is probably just going to get worse with YouTube's compression eventually. So I kind of failed on that, but that was the only footage I took. And this is just an annelid worm. I also went back to the wastewater treatment plant earlier today, but I didn't bring any samples home. Soon I will be, and making videos about those. Here's a little frontoniid. Again, it's really grainy. But here is a flatworm, also called platyhelminthes. It's very flat, and it has rolled up into a ball. I think it's a planarian. But I don't really have evidence to show that. So I made a video about a tortoise, and I have a bunch of footage like that, so let me know if you want to see more of that footage. I took a bunch of footage from that in Tanzania that I could put here. But I'm assuming most people just like microbiology. But here are those copepods I was talking about. These are not cyclopses, and they have weird legs. I saw something similar to this in the saltwater samples. It has tons of small appendages, but it still does not move as fast as a cyclops, and it uses them to walk on the sediment and cling to it rather than using it for propulsion. So its back is also hunched over a bit, and it's segmented a bunch, which is the same on a cyclops, but not the hunch. It still has the single eye. And it has this green spot in the middle. This is with the 20 times objective now, not the 10 times objective. Here, that green spot is definitely visible. So here is another one I found. This one has a more brownish spot, but if you look closely, there's little red oil globules like on an Aleosoma worm. They look pretty similar. They appear to be smaller than an Aleosoma worms, but I don't know the function of these besides just a pigment. It would probably be a taxonomical feature that would make this pretty easy to find the identification of. And the reason everything is glowing is because this is in polarization again. It was just the easiest thing to do with the camera setup, and just what I had the microscope in. Here they were together on the slide. And you can definitely see the color difference now. Here's that annelid again. And goodbye.